You got to get a dog. There's nothing better, right? You've had a tough day, right? The boss is breathing down your neck, right? No one's returning your calls, right? People are cutting you off in traffic. You get home, you're like, life sucks. Nobody cares. As soon as you step on your sidewalk, I care. Every day you leave. And then you come home. I love you. You're like, oh, what a great dog. What a great world. Right? You have a cat, you come home. He's like, oh, it's you. You know, if you swept the floor, I wouldn't have to clean myself every 2 minutes. But if you have a dog, it's a Broadway show. It's the greatest person in the world. I say for the rest of tonight, we all go around with that same enthusiasm as our dog, right? You go around meeting new people because that's what your dog would do, right? Use that. Wouldn't that be great?
Look who's here! Look who's on vacation, baby! Look at the young guy! Look at you with all the hair! Look at that! Hey, 20 years! Look at that! Hey! Hold on! Oh, they've been busy! Hey, listen, see, hold on! Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it. Hey, follow me, friend. Good night. Follow, here we go.
That's the way I roll. Because the end of dignity is the beginning of freedom.